Okay, well here's a little engine that we haven't seen for a long time. One of my favourite little engines really. I don't know why I don't run it more often, but it probably hasn't been started in about a year. So yeah, we've squirted some oil in the bore, checked the oil level. It does need an oil change. She does still have a spark, and because it hasn't been started for so long, we're going to attempt to electric start it, well battery start it really. So we've got 12 volts going into the back of it. All it is a small 50cc BSA engine directly coupled to a WE converter's 12 volt, 24 volt and 30 odd volt I think dynamo. So we're connected to the battery now and see if she'll go. Okay, she doesn't seem to want to go on the direction 2 on the electric start. So go. These jumper cables aren't very good. That's the problem. They're just pulling too many amps trying to start the thing, I think. Okay, well, that's a bit more promising. Might be able to get her going now. Little carb clean, that shouldn't be a problem. I don't think I've ever cleaned the carburetor on the edges, so we'll give it a little bit of treatment, decarbonise it as well, so I might use this engine as the video for decarbonising a small engine. We should see. That's running pretty nicely. Carburetor on there, like this engine does, cracking little thing. The other little BSAs don't have a governor, this one does.
probably altered by the company that bolted on this dynamo to give it more to run. But that carburetor does make this old piece drink fuel.